Let's start with the section Object Detection and Tracking. In this section, we're going to learn about object detection and tracking. We will start by installing opencv, a very popular library for computer vision. We will discuss frame differencing to see how we can detect the moving parts in a video. We will learn how to track objects using color spaces. We will understand how to use background subtraction to track objects. We will build an interactive object tracker using the cam-shift algorithm. We will learn how to build an optical flow-based tracker. We will discuss face detection and associated concepts such as Haar cascades and integral images. We will then use this technique to build an eye detector and tracker. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with installing opencv. In this video we are going to install opencv, which will be used throughout the section. You can learn more about opencv here. Make sure to install it before you proceed. I will show you the links to install opencv 3 with Python 3 on various operating systems. For Windows, refer to this website. For Ubuntu, refer to this link, and this one for Mac. Now that you've installed it, let's go to the next video. In the next video, we will understand frame differencing.